Don't worry, John, man. I'll get you a good Alright. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hang on. Yeah, go on. Yeah. Can see that.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, alright, do the other side.
Yeah, this side?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you see it?
Do a bit more. Yes, just starting, but yeah, I can see that. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah?
The old bloody thing, isn't it? Right, and just take a video.
Did
Well, that is just the washer. That's not a problem.
he do that?
He lost the washer, yeah.
Yeah, alright. Take a picture of that. Take the wash leaking from here.
Yeah.
Yeah? One sec. Alright.
But to show how wobbly that fitting is as well.
Right, no washer in here. Shoddy work. Glued on with mastic.
Right, do that again. Yeah, right, okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cause see what's happening now, yeah? You see when you was having a shower, see you got no washer in here because he lost it.
Yeah.
You see he's caused damage down there.
Yeah.
It's leaking down here, so every time you have a shower, it was running
through the back.
Running through the back. The back.
Yeah.
You know? He's come here to fix a leak, but he's created another one.
Yeah.
Do you understand what I mean?
Okay.
Yes?
Yeah, that's enough, isn't it?
Yeah,
and also this, that was connected. That's like a chassaf douche thing.
Yeah,
it's disconnected that, and because it's at a weird angle the way he's done it,
yes,
where it was closer before, he's not been able to reconnect it, so he just left it and said, "Oh, they're too much trouble than they're worth."
Oh, mate. You sure he's the plumber?
No, I think.